Hi there. Hey, do you need to release a few pounds? Yeah, we all could, right? I want to show you something that I just learned from Donna Eden's weight loss class. It was phenomenal, so I thought I'd try it. Now, it's a little different than anything that's out there. You know, this is funny, but there are so many diet plans, and every single person who's a nutritionist or an eating guru wants to give you great advice on what you should eat. Well, I'm a nutritionist and your Marvelous Midlife coach. I'm Kathryn, and I thought, what I really know is everyone is biologically individual. There is no one size fits all plan. So I'll show you what I've been doing, and surprisingly, my health has improved, and I've actually released 5 pounds. Yeah, 5 pounds in about 3 weeks. It's pretty amazing. So all you do is get a picture, and this picture, it can be clear, it can be solid, it's no big deal. Any kind of a water picture or a juice picture, you fill it with marbles. And for those of you that are familiar with muscle testing, that's all this is about. So I fill it with, these are decorative marbles, but you could use any other rocks, whatever. And what you do is you fill it until you can say your name and it's easy to pick it up. So I can say, my name is Kathryn, keeping my arm straight and solid. My name is Kathryn, and I pick it up super easily, right? Okay, then I grab a food or something that isn't good for me. I've been testing all my foods. So I just hold my food in my hand, and then I hold this on the counter, and I say, it is optimal to eat this food. And I try and pick up the picture, like say I had a carrot. Probably a carrot would register a yes. So I would hold the carrot and try and pick up the picture. Now, it's the weirdest thing, but when things aren't good for me, I can't pick it up. It's just solid. And I do this with my supplements and everything. Like I said, I've just started this, but the weight started falling off, and my neck and shoulder pains, they kind of vanished. So I invite you to try this and see what happens for you. I'm your Marvelous Midlife Method coach, and if you want more tips like this, hey, just reach out, get on my newsletter, subscribe to my channels, and I'm going to teach you how to bring your life from where you are to where you want to be.